Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to return a dictionary from a function. A function can return any kind of value we need it to. So in this example, we are going to return a dictionary representing a person. So let's write our function get dictionary. And we are going to pass in first name and a last name to this function. And we are going to create a dictionary person with a first and last name. First and last name. The key value pair. Last is the key and the value last name. Same with the first is the key and the first name the value for our dictionary. And at the end of the function, we are just going to return our newly created dictionary person. Now we are going to call this function and get the dictionary back. Get dictionary. First and last name. And then we are going to, at the end, just going to print our dictionary, which we get back from this function. Let's run our code. And here is our dictionary. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.